reason why I start out saying this is if you wonder why we get no respect, if you wonder why nobody cares about what we say as influencers about XRP and everybody thinks we're scam artists, and I get lumped in with it, because of these fudsters. They wouldn't know technical analysis if it ran up their ass and crawled out their eyes. They still wouldn't see it. That's the point. The only thing they know how to do is tell you it's going up, tell you we're going to be rich, tell you you have to buy now, and tell you to join their stupid programs, join their stupid partnerships, or the people that are making them and paying them every single month. They're telling you to support their shit. It's nothing new that hasn't been perpetrated in every other segment of society for eons of time. But it's so easily perpetrated on the crypto community because everybody thinks they're going to get rich tomorrow. So what do you get? You get Hayden, and you get the Run guys, and you get the digital asset investors, and all these son of a bitches, and they all pile on. And now I get why you guys like the blockchain backer so much. I understand. I seen that BitBoy had him on today. It just so happened it was going across when I was doing my stuff. And now I understand. It's all one big collective fuck you. BitBoy tells you to get your technical analysis from blockchain backer. Blockchain backer perpetrates the same bullshit as they all do. Not saying any of them are bad people. I'm just saying they don't really know what the fuck's going on, and they've proved it time and time again. BitBoy does a great job when he's exposing people, but let's call it the truth. He also perpetrated for you to buy FTX in 2020 and 2021, I believe. It was 2021. So it's great he's calling him out, but he also got paid to tell you to buy their shit. Fair is fair. I like Ben. I believe he got thrown too much money too quickly, and now he's trying to make remorse, and he's trying to, make do with it. But at the same time, we have to call a spade a spade. And I'm here to try to fix the crypto space, and I've been doing it for almost 21 months. I'm the only person who kept you out of losing your entire portfolio after making 425%. Sometimes I have to have strong entries like this. XRP right now is up 0.64% to 34.70. What exactly does that mean? Well, we know the 348 is a very critical resistance level. And now, if we come up right here, it's about 35 cents. I still would like to say the 335 or the 355 if we came up there. But we are running into a critical resistance right here. This is what we're at right now. This is where we've run up to. See if we can get on top of this and then possibly break our way to 355. The one thing, like I've said since yesterday, well, more than yesterday, but since we dropped down, the one thing that's concerning to me is we have not retested the symmetrical triangle at the 371 level. And yes, I understand. The moment we pump up, if we do, and this is what always pisses me off, like, how are you supposed to help your community if you're always calling for the fucking moon? Once this happens, if it does happen, and XRP pumps 7.34% to come up to 37.10, all of a sudden, we're going to be in a bull market. All of a sudden, every XRP person on YouTube, your social media influencers are going to tell you that we've bottomed, we're going to the moon. But what they're not going to tell you is that we're being rejected as of right now, even if we come to 37.10, by the Head and Shoulders neckline. We're also staring a death cross in the face, right between the eyes. But you're not going to hear that. You're not going to see a chart when they try to warn you. No, no, no. You're just going to hear them ramble on about some bullshit. Make no mistake about it, I'm the one person you can come to who's not going to perpetrate that horse shit. Because at the end of the day, I have morals and I have ethics. I've been offered the same shit that they've been offered. I could have promoted FTX and Celsius and all these broken exchanges that went under. I've been approached by so many people and make you want to pounce your own eyes out. But I believe that in the end, I'm going to get what's coming to me. And already having 214 members of Tom's Army paying $9.99 is a huge statement. I don't accept paid promotions. I don't accept paid advertising. I won't promote your stupid product unless I believe in it. But I've never promoted a single product. There's so many different people on here wasting your, well, I mean, your time is precious. The last thing I'm going to do is sit here and tell you to buy some bullshit so that I can get money in my pocket. You know how I'm going to get money in my pocket? By keeping you from going broke. I'd rather you pay me $9.99 because you have money in your pocket than make money because some asshole's paying me $500 or $1,000 for a 2-minute skit once or twice a week, 8 times a month. Starting to catch my drift when you start seeing this. I've been exposing secrets to the industry for a very long time. A lot of people can try to do it, try to create content, and try to tell you the truth, and then try to infiltrate what's going on, but they don't have a big enough following, so no one's going to reach out to them. I have more exchanges and more product people and more fucking drink companies and fucking food supplements and all this horse shit that you see on every other station come to me every single day. Coffee companies and crypto, NFT places. It's unbelievable the amount of people that I could be promoting right now. But when I see it on other stations and it's the sole reason why I started, I'm not going to do it. I am blessed that 214 of you pay $9.99 a month. But there's a reason why. I helped everybody get in at an average of 47 cents, and we wrote it up to an average of $1.66. Sold it. And yeah, I'm the first to say we didn't get out at $1.98. We had hopium. Our $1.66 was our last second to get out, and that was our threshold, and we got out. 3,500 to 15,500 plus. Never heard of a single person complain about making 12 grand in 3 months. Now we've been liquid since. And to put it in perspective, ladies and gentlemen, for all the fudsters who say, oh, Tom, or all these people on social media, oh, just hold. Oh, just grass XRP and give it a stroke. Eventually it'll erupt. Like, give me a fucking break. You're prematurely coming out of XRP right now. Anybody who came into XRP prematurely, they're down. Okay, and stick with me here. It's a sticky situation. Everybody who's stuck with XRP, and it's slippery now. It's real slippery and slimy. You're down 79%, folks. You are down 79%, but just long hold. Now, let me tell you something. We still have all $15,500 however we want. Now, let's just assume we just throw the $3,500 back in, right? Even if you did it now at the 348 mark and you ride it back up to $1.66, remember, it doesn't matter, just hold it. You've now got all your money, and once again, you get to take that same journey right back up, folks. And this is just XRP. This doesn't count what we made on the DGB last year of almost 600%. Or what was it on DGB? 200 or 300%. That doesn't count the XLM that we had for almost 500%. We had a spectacular year last year. And now you could make 378% from here just to get back to $1.66 where they told you to hold it. I just don't understand. I just don't understand how everybody can be so fascinated and not care about their actual bottom line. When did we become a bunch of traders where the easy answer was just hold? What the fuck? Just hold and technical analysis doesn't matter? That sounds like a line that's perpetrated by a bunch of assholes that don't know what's going on, and now it's become commonplace to say it. Oh, technical analysis doesn't matter, just long hold, price doesn't matter. Are you out of your fucking minds? Are you out of your minds? Losing 80% doesn't matter. I'm XRP Future Millionaire, and if you want to know the truth, you're going to stick around. If you want to continue to be perpetrated by all these scumbags on YouTube, you're going to leave my channel, and you're going to lose a lot of money. If you stick around, the promise I make to you is every single day, of every single hour, of every single week, of every single month, of every single day of the year, I'm going to be here. I have not missed a single day in over 21 months now almost. And there's a reason why. Whether it's sick, deaths in the family, the most crazy things you can imagine, I'm still here. Because I care. And in the end, we're all going to be rich. Not because we bought in a bull market. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Like, wake the fuck up. You get rich by buying in bear markets at the bottom. Imagine you can buy XRP, and they say we're going to all-time high, right? Imagine you could buy XRP, and let's just, for a second, let's just get into our think tank. Because I'm looking at around the 13-cent mark, ultimately. That's around the 2020 low when we got into the lawsuit 2 years ago. Imagine if you got it at that price. I mean, you're talking about, folks, just to get up to 52 cents, you're up 300%. Forget. Just to get back to $1.66 where they said just long hold, it doesn't matter. That's 1,175% from 13 cents. I mean, you can't make this up. And you think you're getting rich in a bull market? No. You're getting rich by avoiding all of the landmines put out there by the manipulators and the fudsters. Remember the Christmas rally? How's that working out for everybody? Even if we have a huge rally tomorrow, we're still going to be sunk. The stock market, even though it's having a nice pullback right now, it was down about 650 points and now it's down 380. Still getting crushed. This is a retracement for another drop tomorrow, likely. You got the NASDAQ down 245 points or 2.29% in a day. The S&P is down 1.5%. The Dow's only down 1.13% now, but it's under 33. It just hit 33,000. So we'll see if it settles at 33 or below. So the VIX is up 8.92%. And the VIX always tells me that risk on are going to get hammered. And right now, crypto, this looks like it's in a head and shoulders on a right shoulder. Even the right shoulder looks like a head and shoulders pattern. And if this does drop and break these support levels, I'm going to tell you, look out below. In 2023, in my opinion, is going to start out in a bad way. At some point in the first quarter, we're going to hit those lows, if not by the end of the year. Then we're going to recover at some point. And when we do, I hope and I pray that everybody who's watched me has kept me in tune. There's 15,200 plus who watch me. I hope that you stuck around long enough and you paid attention long enough to have a portfolio intact and you didn't listen to all these sleazeballs. Because if you did listen to the scumbags on YouTube and the social media influencers who are getting paid, you are getting crushed. Stay tuned here, folks. I tell you the truth for a reason. I am you. I'm not going to come at you with some fancy office from the top of some fancy building with my fancy fucking all this stuff. I've got my tablet, and you know what I have behind me? This is what I have behind me. I'm like you, except I managed to build an audience somehow, some way, by some miracle. This is my situation. No fancy office. I got a roll-away fucking desk. See this? XRP Future Millionaire. Hit that like button.